Today, I want to show how Flightcrew can help automate compliance for standards like SOC 2, PCI, and others. To show how this works, let's make some config changes as an application owner. I'm going to click into one of my deployments and make some changes inline. First, let's start with this image. It looks like we're pinned on an old version, and I want to make sure we pull the latest one each time. And here I see this field, something about a read-only file system, but I know my application writes a disk, so let's turn that one off. I'll create this PR, use latest image. Seems like it was pinned. Let me just create this PR. And now I've got the Flightcrew app, Flightcrew GitHub app installed on this repo, so I know that it'll detect any files that change config values, and it'll run a series of checks before I can submit this. The important thing for me as an application owner is I don't want to break any SOC 2 rules or any other policies, but I don't necessarily know what all of them are. So instead of me needing to know them, I'm just letting Flightcrew check it for me. It's commented here with a warning that I'm breaking some of these rules, so let's take a closer look. The first one here looks like we are making a SOC 2 violation. It's explaining why I shouldn't be messing with this read-only file system field. And the second one is explaining why we had the pinned version in the first place. It sounds like latest is not a best practice. So that's great. Flightcrew caught a couple violations before they were submitted, but Flightcrew doesn't only play defense for ill-advised config changes. It also plays offense to proactively fix things that do not comply with the policies. So here's an example of that one. This PR has been created by Flightcrew, which shows my organization's policy is to make sure we don't use this if not present field. We want to make sure that's set to always in all examples. And Flightcrew saw that 12 of these files were not compliant and created a PR to fix all of it for me. So I should just be able to merge this as is. And that's a couple ways that Flightcrew helps automate compliance. Thanks for watching.